Hello, dear students. Welcome back to Rishikul online classes. Today, I'm going to discuss chapter number 4, Solving Tough Problems of Life. Already, we have discussed about the author and the important words of this chapter in the previous module. So, let's discuss about this chapter. This chapter is a part of the book Problem Solving written by Adam Kahane. He has worked in more than 50 countries in every part of the world. Even his work has been praised by Nobel Peace Prize winner Nelson Mandela. Through this chapter, the author is telling us how to get rid of the problems, how to get the solution in a better way. Dear children, we all have come across many situations where we have to use our brain and skills to handle the situation in a better way. Solving a problem is a skill that everyone has to be used to face the tough situation in life. When we face any problem, we become to mature enough to handle any kind of situation and any kind of people in this world. We become frustrated when we have to face difficult situation and sometimes the result is not better. Even then, we have to be more calm and peaceful to overcome the situation. It is rightly said by someone that a lot of problems in the world would disappear if we talk. If we talk to each other instead of about each other. So, first of all, the person who are involved in any argument, they both sit together, talk to each other so that they can get a better solution of the problem. It's up to us. What do we want? We always think whatever we are saying, we should give chance to another to speak. We should not be self-centered. If we welcome anybody's feeling or opinions, then we will become more open. So, dear students, any problem can be solved in this world. Only needs the will and the right attitude to solve it. So, thank you, dear students, for watching the video. In the next module, we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.